Infinite riches surround you, waiting for your mind's workers to contemplate the endless treasure you possess. Within you lies a true gold mine from which you can extract everything you need to live in joy, generosity, and fulfillment. Yet many remain blind to this gold mine, this source of infinite intelligence and boundless love within them. There are two types of people: those full of confidence and faith, aware they are born to win and succeed, and those filled with fear and doubt. Good opportunities come their way, but they hesitate, fearing failure, loss, and ridicule. Such individuals will not go far in life because their fear of moving forward keeps them in place. However, you can move forward and discover the secret passed down through generations, the ultimate secret. What is this secret? Where can it be found, and how can it be used? The answer is simple. The secret is the wonderful creative power of your subconscious mind, located in the last place most would think to look. This power can bring more strength, wealth, health, happiness, and joy into your life by learning to know and unleash the hidden power within your subconscious. You already possess this power. You just need to learn to use it, to understand it, so you can apply it to all aspects of your life. In the depths of your subconscious lies infinite wisdom, power, and an abundance of everything you need, all waiting patiently to be developed and expressed. Recognizing the potentialities of your mind will shape them into your external world. The infinite intelligence of your subconscious can reveal everything you need to know at any moment, provided you keep an open and receptive mind. Moreover, it can unlock wonderful insights, guide you to perfect expression, and help you find your true place in life. Through the wisdom of your subconscious, you can attract the ideal partner or the business associate you need. It's up to you to explore this inner world of thought, feeling, power, light, love, and beauty. Your subconscious also holds a miraculous healing power for troubled minds and broken hearts. The law of your mind is a law of faith and belief, meaning you must believe in how your mind works. Everything that happens to you, including events, circumstances, and your actions, are responses from your subconscious to your thoughts. It's not so much what you believe in, but the belief held in your own mind that brings about results. You are like a gardener, planting seeds of thought in your subconscious, and you will harvest in your body and life what you've sown in your subconscious. Start sowing thoughts of peace, happiness, good deeds, goodwill, and prosperity. When your mind thinks correctly, when the thoughts placed in your subconscious are constructive, harmonious, and peaceful, the magical power of your subconscious will spread and create these harmonious conditions in the external world. Look around you, wherever you live, and you'll notice that the vast majority of humanity lives in the external world. Only the most enlightened individuals take a deep interest in the inner world. Remember, it's the inner world, your thoughts, feelings, and mental images, that creates your outer world. This inner world is the only creative power, and everything in your external world was created by you, within your inner world, consciously or unconsciously. Let's consider the differences between the conscious and the subconscious. The conscious mind is like the captain of a ship, commanding and giving orders. The captain is the master of his ship, and his orders are executed without question. Here, your conscious mind is the captain and your body is the ship. Your subconscious, on the other hand, receives orders from the captain, based on what your conscious mind believes and accepts as true. When you repeatedly tell people, "I can't afford that," your subconscious takes note and ensures you can't acquire what you desire. Conversely, when you affirm the opposite as if it were already present in your life, expect miracles.